How to copy Discord profile link in Android. So first of all, go to Discord. After that, you will simply click on your profile pic. Now click on Settings on top right corner. After that, scroll. Here you will see Advanced. After that, you will turn on developer mode. If it was off, simply turn on it. After that, click again on your profile. Now, here you will see your friends. Simply click on that. Now open your any friend chat. Here, scroll. You will see your profile pic and name. So simply click again on your profile. Now, you will see on top right corner 3 dots. So simply click on that. Here you will see copy username, copy user ID apps. So simply click on copy user ID. After that, go to ChatGPT and tell this is my Discord ID. This is my Discord ID. Please convert it to link. After that, ChatGPT will convert that to link. You can, if you click on that, you will be redirected to your profile in Discord in Android. Thanks for watching.